I'm already taping, Pooh. So majestic. Watch as this jeep hunts for its prey. You can't see him now. Before you know it, he will be attacking. He sneaks up slowly on his prey. And there he is. You are now screwed. Beautiful view we have here.
Yeah.
Gia.